Hi, it's Fias Tarot. Hello, all signs. So, this is your messages, energy check-ins, and prediction reading. Okay, so syempre, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. Okay, and syempre, yes, kung meron pong tanong pagdating sa private reading, personal reading, message lang po kayo sa akin pong FB page for more info. Ganun rin po pagdating kay Perception of Light. Okay? And don't forget to follow his FB page. Okay? And syempre, sa healer, mga naghahanap ng healer, yan, si Kuya Dingsi po. Ha, open po yan, si Kuya Dingsi. And yes, don't forget to follow na rin po yung kanya pong FB page. Ha, ito po yun ha, kung inyong hahanapin sa FB. Okay, so there. And yes, pagdating sa ating mga evil eye items, so ito si evil eye bracelet na garterized. Ganito siya. Okay, this is unisex po, ha. And ito naman yung isa nating evil eye bracelet, the all-in-one evil eye bracelet. Okay, so ganito siya. Na-adjust siya sa ilalim yan. Okay, na-adjust siya. And meron siyang initial. Kukunin ni admin kung sino man yung magmamayari, yung initial na magmamayari. Okay, tatanong niya ni admin. So meron niyang 5 na colors ng evil eye, may kanya-kanya po silang role. Okay, and syempre, pagdating sa color, available po is red and black only. Okay? Oo. So, yan. Okay? This is unisex din po. No? And syempre, ito naman ating evil eye. Ring. Yan. This is adjustable, non-tarnish, and hypoallergenic. Okay? So, ito naman ang ating evil eye necklace. Okay? So, ganyan siya. Okay, so yan. Okay, so non-tarnish, hypoallergenic, and meron siyang extenders here. Okay, so kung gustong irigalo, kung may mga gustong ipangregalo sa inyo, mga ganyan. Sabihin lang po ha, yung name ng pagreregaluhan and yun po ang important. Okay? Yung pangalan ng bibigyan. Okay? Pero kung inyo, yes, kailangan rin po namin ng inyong pangalan. Okay? So, pagdating kay grantor, ganun rin po. Okay, ganun rin. Kung pangregalo nyo si grantor, ganyan, sasabihin nyo po yung buong pangalan ng pagbibigyan. Okay, kung inyo naman, kailangan nyo rin i-provide yung name nyo. Okay, and kung mayroon pang tanong pagdating kay grantor and sa ating mga items here, just message us po, no? Sa akin pong FB page for more info. Okay? And syempre, maging pasensyosa po. Ha? Iisa lang si admin. Okay? Iisa lang siya. So, kung hindi nare-replyan, maghintay lang po. Ha? Mare-replyan kayo lahat. Okay? Unti-unti. Okay? Unti-unti. Okay, ang dami nyo, ha? Ang dami natin na naka-follow sa page. So, maging pasensyoso. Okay, so let's start the reading. Air signs, Gemini, Libra, and Aqua. So, ano bang message for you? Okay. Message for air signs, Gemini, Libra, and Aqua. Okay. The Two of Pentacles in reversed. Meron kayong mga hindi itutuloy. In general po, ha? Okay, the King of Wands in reverse. Okay, so pwedeng pakikipag-connect sa isang taong sa tingin mo ay hindi seryoso. Okay, may pagdadrop dito. Yes, some of you pwedeng napapag-isip-isipan mo na yan, napapagnilay-nilayan mo na, mga ganyan. Okay? So, meron din dito mga hindi ma-execute na mga plans. Yes. Kasi sobrang plano. Sobra na ang pagpaplano. Execution na po ang kailangan. Okay? So, meron din ditong parang mapapaltan pagdating sa workplace, ganyan. I don't know, pwedeng meron someone na pwedeng magre-resign like that. Okay? Kasi hindi na maganda. Maybe yung environment sa workplace. Okay? So, Two of Wands, inversed. And the Tower. May unexpected na uuwi. Unexpected. Okay? May babalik, may darating. Unexpected. Ano tong Two of Wands in reversed? The Page of Swords. Some of you, this is a message. Okay? Message. Na pwedeng hindi mo inaasahan. Na magme-message siya sa'yo. Mga ganyan. Something unexpected. Okay? So, pwedeng may chance rin na makakuha kayo ng balita. Like, ganto, ganyan. Pwedeng hindi nyo inaasahan. Ay, talaga. O, mga ganon. Okay? So, meron din ditong parang biglang, like, aksidenteng mapipindot yung like, share, or like, kung ano man, reaction. Okay, kasi may nag-i-stalk. Makikita nyo yun. And then, buburahin niya agad. Or alisin niya yung reaction. Parang ganon. Okay? Yeah, mga ganyan. So, what else? Queen of Cups in reversed. What's this? The Ten of Cups in reversed. The Ace of Pentacles pa in reversed. Meron ditong parang sadness. Yeah, the Emperor in reverse. Sadness. Check ko tong Ten of Cups na naka-reverse. This is sadness. Why? This is talking about, pwedeng a mother figure or a father figure. The Two of Cups in reverse. I'm hearing disappointed. I'm disappointed. Like that. Pwede may madi-disappoint na nanay or tatay. Okay. Ooh, the Devil. I'm seeing pregnancy. Yeah. Pregnancy for some of you. Yes. Yeah. Okay. Pwede may, meron ditong family na talagang masisira because someone will, sabihin natin parang makakabuntis or mabubuntis ng iba. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. Okay, so kung alam nung may ganyan nang mangyayari, you need to avoid it. Okay, so there. Next. Okay. Fire signs. Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius. Fire signs. Okay. Anong meron? Message for fire signs. Aries, Leo, and Sag. Okay. Days of Cups in reversed. Merong offer dito na hindi tatanggapin. Okay? Yeah, the Lovers. Partnership maybe na hindi tatanggapin. Yeah. Bakit? Days of Cups in reverse, please. Yeah. Oh, pwedeng pwedeng meron din ditong, okay, sayang na tong oras natin, gato, ganyan. I'm seeing here separation. Okay, for some of you. Merong madadrop. The Five of Pentacles. Okay. And, yeah, may magka-cut off dito. Cut off. Merong, ang tawag dyan? May mabibigyan ng, sabihin nating, action, like legal action. Okay? Nalimutan ko yung term. Yung word. Kakasuhan, yun. Meron dito, may ganyan. Fire sign, earth sign and air. Talking about legalization, may mga ganyan. Okay? So, I think some of you may chance na makuha, no? Kung ano man yung tong grant ba to, or regarding pera. Okay? Legalizations. Yeah. What else? Meron din kayong like parang ika-cut off nga, aalisan, ititigil. Okay? Lalayuan. Yan. Okay. The Four of Pentacles. Some of you, sinasabihan na mag-save. Okay? You need to save the Six of Swords in reversed. Ano tong Six of Swords in reversed? The Tower. Okay. So, I think meron ditong hihingi na naman ng tulong sa'yo. Like, nakahingi na siya ng tulong and then hihingi uli siya ng tulong. Okay? I don't know. Pwedeng ikaw yung taong kaya niya na ikaw lang yung pupuntahan niya and alam niya na susuportahan mo siya. Yes. Yeah, see? The Three of Swords. The Five of Wands in reverse. Alam niya na ikaw lang yung makakatulong sa kanya. Earth, Scorpio, and air sign. Iba sa inyo yung inyong mga iniipon. May chance na magalaw. Okay? May chance na magastos. Okay. Next. Water signs. Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. Message for you, water signs. Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. Okay. The Six of Cups in reversed. Disappointments, bitterness. Yeah. And the Ten of Swords. Some of you, pwedeng may friend ka or may friend kayo na pwedeng mag-backstab sa'yo. Okay? Yeah. I'm sorry. The Ace of Pentacles in reversed. Yeah, and the Three of Cups in reversed. Iba sa inyo ha, nakakita ko dito na pwedeng ibang kaibigan ninyo is pera lang. Yung gusto, pera lang yung habol or something like meron ditong hindi nagkakaroon ng progress dahil barkada, I don't know if like meron ditong third party. Yun ang inuuna eh. Yun ang mas inuuna kaysa sa mga mas importanteng bagay. Yeah. The King of Swords. Nakakuha ko dito na may nabe-brainwash. Okay? Some of you, pwedeng mayroon kang pauutangin na kaibigan. Hihiram ka, maybe. I don't know kung merong magandang pass kayo ng taong ito. I don't know kung pwedeng hindi mo siya pautangin. May ganun. Okay, the Emperor. And yeah, the Three of Swords in reversed. Meron ditong parang heart-to-heart talk with the father or with the mother, with your boss. Yeah, heart-to-heart talk. What's with this Three of Swords in reversed? Yeah. Disappointments ang nakikita ko rito. Bakit ganto? Bakit ganyan? I don't know. Pwedeng may mangyaring pag-uusap. Okay, may mangyaring pag-uusap. May nakikita kong iyakan dito. May nakita kong iyakan or sabihin natin pwedeng energy na pwedeng regarding sa pagiging ama or sa pagiging ina. Parang ganyan. This is deep. This is deep. I don't know kung kailangan yung malaman to or what. Kasi this is deep. In general, this is like a heart-to-heart conversation with a father or with a mother. Okay? So, yeah. There. Next. Next is Earth signs. Okay. Earth signs, Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. Okay. Anong meron? Anong meron? Ten of Cups, inversed. The Queen of Swords, may magagalit dito. May masama ang loob. May sasama ang loob, magsasabi ng totoo, like kung ano man. Nako. The Tower in reverse. Merong naiwas dito sa ganyan na pwedeng mangyari. Yeah, the Fool. Dahil pwedeng alam niyo yung mako-corner na siya dahil alam naman niya na may ginagawang mali. Okay? There's like a leap of faith para sa iba sa inyo. Like, na kailangang i-take risk. Pero I don't know, some of you, pwedeng itatry na i-avoid. Maybe, yeah. The Nine of Pentacles in reverse. So, there's commitments, responsibilities. Pagdating dyan, hindi makaalis sa mga responsibilidad na gustong makaalis sa responsibilidad. I don't know. Yeah. Someone is so tired. The Nine of Wands. Bakit? Anong kailangan dito? Eight of Swords, please. What's with this Eight of Swords? Strength. Kailangan lang dito parang rules. Okay? Or sabihin nating effortan mo or sabihin nating ikaw mismo yung gagawa para makaalis ka sa pagkakagapos mo sa mga responsibilidad maybe. Okay? So, this is like teaching someone, no? Na pwedeng nakarely lang sa'yo. Ganto gawin mo. Ganto, ganyan. Hindi yung sa akin lang lahat. Like, yeah, you need to teach them how to grow, no? Ng kanila lang. Parang ganyan. Kasi, syempre, mapapagod ka talaga dito. Lahat ng responsibilities sa'yo, talagang mapapagod ka. Yeah. The Hierophant in reverse. Yeah, house. Sa bahay. Sa relasyon. Pero this is, talking about family. The Eight of Pentacles in reverse, meron ditong gusto na munang magpahinga eh. Kailan ba ako makakapagpahinga? Parang ganyan. Kaya nga. Kaya nga. Okay. So, yeah. Too much responsibilities. Sobra. Nakaka-drain to. Yeah, again, the Six of Swords. Parang gusto na lang magpakalayo-layo muna at magpahinga. May ganyan. Iba sa inyo, kung kailangan nyo pong gawin yan, gawin nyo. Yes, gawin nyo. Kung kailangan nyong umiwas muna sa mga katoksikan, sa mga kung ano man, di magaganda, layuan nyo. Yeah. Okay? Medyo hindi maganda ang energy. So, gawin yung gabay. Okay? Meron ditong parang nagiging pabaya eh. Inilalagay na lang sa inyo lahat. Like, okay, sige, siya na yung bahala kasi mabait naman siya. Parang ganon. Hindi nila alam, napapagod ka rin. Someone is, being selfish. Dahil gusto lang nila, see, the Magician in reversed. This is all about manipulation, ganto, ganyan, hindi tama. Okay? So, there. Yan ang ating reading. Sana bukas maganda na. Sana bukas. So, yeah. Again, yun po ang ating reading for all signs. So, yeah, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and follow our FB page. Thank you.